Hey there, welcome. In this video I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the new Fender by Loog guitars. I've got a Telecaster model here in green and a new finish that they just came out with for the Stratocaster called Candy Apple Red. Pretty excited to see how that looks. I'm making this video to show you what comes in the boxes, get these things in tune, show you how they sound. My students really love the other Loogs, so hopefully these will be good too. All right, moment of truth here. Nothing like a new guitar. Oh man, I'm in. Okay. I was thinking I might give one of these away to some of my students, like as a prize, but I don't know. This is pretty cool. I might have to keep this. All right. Yeah, so Candy Apple has kind of a metallic, a little bit glittery feel to it. Very nice. All the Loog guitars that I've bought come with a set of flashcards. Oh, some new stuff. The flashcards are excellent for explaining to your kids or your students how chords work. You can use these to help them learn their first couple songs, which in my experience, with good teaching and a Loog guitar can take as little as 1 or 2 lessons. All right, it looks like they're also sending you with a mini Allen wrench. Oh, it's for the bridge. Okay, cool. They've also sent us with some stickers and a string winder. Okay, that's pretty cool. String winders save guitarists hours of their lives. They've also sent us with a Leo Fender for Kids book. Oh, nice. You know, Loog, I've been watching some of their videos on their mission, and they don't want to only teach kids about guitar anymore. They want to cover all of music. They want to talk about how music works, the physics of it, different instruments, and now they're getting into the history. I really like this. All right, sweet. Let's open the other one, then we'll get them both in tune and take them for a test drive. All right, Telecaster. All right, that's pretty nice too. That's pretty nice. All right, pretty sweet surf green teal kind of finish. Very nice. Single pickup. Again, same things. Let's play. All right, so step 1 is getting this thing in tune. If you don't know how to tune a guitar, don't worry, because the Loog app, which comes free with it, makes it really easy to tune your guitar. I'm gonna do this just for speed. By the way, the strings of this guitar are tuned to G, B, and E. Exactly the same as a full-size 6-string guitar, G, B, E, minus these 3 lower sounding strings. All right, so once you're in tune, you're gonna be sounding something like this. Now, electric guitars don't sound especially loud, which can be a good thing if you've got kids who get into it and want to play all the time. They're not too loud until you plug them into an amplifier. Sometimes you can have headphones that go into an amplifier. So far, so good. First take, I like it a lot. It feels like a little Fender Stratocaster. Let's do a little inspection here. The strings go through the body here. Okay, nice little metal plate, just like a real Fender Stratocaster. Nice neck. It's a nice guitar. Okay, let's just do a quick little check, see if there's any kind of problems with the neck, any fret buzz, anything like that. That note's a little bit buzzy there on the first fret, so that's why they gave you a little Allen wrench. Let me show you how you do that. All I'm gonna do here is raise this little piece up a little bit so that the string has a little bit more room, a little bit more clearance above the frets. In my experience, that'll fix a minor buzz like that. You'll also have to retune it after that. So let's do that. I'm happy with that. Quite a bit better. What I'll do is let this guitar chill out overnight, tune it up again, and I'll just continue tweaking as I need to. All right, let's try some distortion. Now, distortion is what gives it that rock and roll sound. I'm just gonna make a couple adjustments on my amplifier here. Kids, especially little boys, they usually dig that sound. You can get that as long as you've got an amplifier that has some built-in overdrive, distortion, or effects. Again, I'll give a little bit of a write-up on that in the comments. Also, Loog was generous enough to give me a code that you can save some money on these guitars if you decide you want one. Check the comments below for that. And I can imagine this being a wonderful entryway into music for a young person. 6, 7, 8 years old. Sometimes they're ready at 6 for this size of guitar. If not, get them a Loog Mini. This guitar is fantastic as well. All right, let's do the same process with the Telecaster, see if there's anything going on that you need to know about it. Little distortion just to see. Cool. Differences between these two guitars? Well, as far as I can tell, I mean, Loog, please let me know if I'm wrong here, but yeah, it's just they're copying the style of each of these iconic guitars, the Telecaster and Stratocaster. They seem to sound and play pretty similar to me, so the choice is really yours between what style that you think your child is more interested in, or if you're a guitar collector, you won't be disappointed in this. You're going to probably smile and get a kick out of it. All right, to summarize, these guitars are awesome. They rock, they look good, they sound good, especially that candy apple finish. I'm really digging that. I get excited about it. I know that young people would too. Loog is amazing. I've got so much more that I could say, and if you have any questions, put them below or reach out to me. I am a full-time guitar teacher. I'm very busy, but once in a while I have availability. Check below for my code. I get a small commission if you order with my code, and you save 10%, so it's a win-win. All right, take it easy, enjoy yourself, and thanks for inspiring your kids with good musical instruments.